Hi guys, welcome back with new video. I am Salinder. This is my SL DevCode YouTube channel. This is the third video of my HTML tutorial and project video series. In this video, we will see how can we make a beautiful login page using HTML and CSS. Now you can see our login page demo. All the important links I will put my video description including the source code. Let's go to the video. Now I am going to create my project folder inside my workspace. I will give it a name like login page. Now I will go to inside my created folder and create a new folder. It is image folder. Now I will copy my all the images into my created image folder. Those are my background image and profile image. I used Visual Studio Code to develop this login page. Now I will open my VS Code and open my project folder, which is created in previously. Now I will click this new file option and create index.html file and style.css file. Now I will start my HTML coding part. Now just type HTML. Now you can select HTML5 option. Now it will auto-fill basic commands. My web page title is login page. You can type it here. Now I will link my CSS file to HTML file. This is mandatory thing. Otherwise your style.css changes are not effect to the HTML code. Now I will move to my style.css file. Now I am going to design my body tag. In here I will set correct margin, padding and background image URL path. Now you can follow my steps. Now I will run my code and see the changes which I did. In here I will select open with live server option. Yes, my background image added successfully. Now I will move to my index.html file. Now I am going to open div tag and add the profile image. Now you can follow my steps. Now I will move to the CSS file and design this profile image box. Its class name is login box. You can do those things with me. Now we will see the output. Yes, it's good. Now I have to position the profile image. Profile image class name is profile. If you want, you can go to your index.html file and check your profile image class name. Follow my steps to design your profile image. Okay, fine. Now we will see our output. Yes, it's fine. Now I will move to my index.html file and give a headline. So I will open h1 tag and give it a name. It is SL DevCode login. Now I will open a form tag and design my form. It normally include username, password, submit buttons like that. You can follow my all the steps with me. Okay, fine. Now we will see the output. Yes, fine. Most of the part we already done, so we have to design it more attractive. Now I will move to my CSS file and design my header tag. Yes, now it's fine. Once again I will move to CSS file. I will design inside my login box. You can do those things with me. Now I am going to design my login buttons. Now my all the coding parts over. Now we will see the final output. Yes, it's looking good. Now I am going to show you all my code. Now you can check your code and fix your errors. Now I have successfully created my login page using HTML and CSS. If you have any questions regarding this video, make a comment and ask. If you like my videos, click in the like button and share my videos. Finally, I like to say don't forget to click subscribe button to get latest content from my channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys.